Welcome to Kettle Lab's How-To series. Today we'll demonstrate how to secure Microsoft Fabric environment using access controls. Let's get started. Here we have opened our existing workspace. If you need a new workspace, navigate to the home page in your Fabric account, click on New Workspace, and follow the prompts to create one. Inside the workspace, locate the Manage Access option in the upper right corner. Click on Manage Access to open the access management settings. In the Manage Access panel, click on Add People and Groups. Enter the names or email addresses of the individuals or groups you want to add. After adding the individuals or groups, assign appropriate roles to them by searching for their names or email IDs and selecting the roles from the drop-down menu. Members can contribute and collaborate on workspace content. Admins have full access, including managing the workspace and its settings, while viewers have read-only access to view workspace content. Here you can review the added members and their assigned roles. If required, roles can be changed from the drop-down. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Fabric. Thanks for watching.